No matter what time or era, Americans have always owed a huge debt to our medical professionals. I'm here on the third floor of the W.H. Stark House, outside the nurses' quarters, where 100 years ago, we had medical heroes, just like we have today.
It took a lot of people to run a home like the W.H. Stark House. The third floor was largely the working floor, and this space was almost always a living area for house staff. As we see it today, it was used as the live-in nurses' quarters. It was last renovated in the 20s and has a bedroom separated by a curtain with a living space and bathroom on the other side. While there were several nurses involved in providing the Starks with 24-hour care for around the last 5 years of their lives, Ollie Drake became the primary.
Medicine was undergoing massive changes in the 1920s and 30s. World War I and the Spanish flu epidemic that followed shortly afterwards caused major developments in medical knowledge and infrastructure. Ollie was initially trained at the Francis Anne Letcher Hospital in Orange, opened in 1921 by Miriam's mother, for whom the hospital is named. The facility was state-of-the-art with the latest in medical technology, but almost certainly its greatest impact was in medical education and public outreach. The hospital trained nurses and educated the general public on hygiene and best health practices.
More than any one medical innovation, it was this trained medical workforce to which Ollie belonged that saved lives. Ollie was with the Starks until the end of their lives and was with both of them when they passed away. She continued working as a nurse for the rest of her life, helping to establish the nursing department in the public school system of Mission, Texas, which eventually named an elementary school in her honor. Her life was a testament to how much impact one dedicated medical professional can have on the world.